This is a love reading for you, Capricorn, for January to February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance looking for you and your love interest. Whether it is your love interest, it's your spouse, it's your ex, your crush, somebody you have a crush on. So, this is a general reading. What energy or guidance tarot is picking up is for a very different intensity for different people. So, it may not resonate with you entirely. Also, I'm giving is a link to my January newsletter. You want to go through it and read it in detail and share it with as many people. There are also links to my other readings. You can book whatever reading you like with me after reading the details. So let us see how's the guidance looking, Capricorn, for you and your love interest. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, as I see it, Capricorn, you are almost a maverick or a very successful person who has great communication, or you have built great success in extreme by weathering the extreme weather or working with the extreme no, or where people did not go is where you have gone and created success. You are exceptionally sharp and a successful person. When I look at your partner, I'm just seeing is he or she likes to connect a lot emotionally, and that is what matters the most to your partner. I'm seeing here is there is a certain disappointment your partner has about not being able to connect with you completely on a lot of fronts, emotionally or by heart. So your partner feels you're not there as much emotionally as you should be, Capricorn. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So, you are this very internally strong person, Capricorn. Nothing is difficult for you. So, you are very strong on the exterior and doubly more strong in the interior. So in the inside, I'm seeing is a person with this infinite strength or ability to work with the most difficult. Nothing startles you, nothing shocks you. You work with everything with lot of ease. Now, what is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is facing a certain downtime. He or she may be going through a certain rough work situation also. I'm seeing is a certain struggle. It's almost like your partner has lost some opportunities and he or she is dealing with it in their own way. So, times are not going the most nicest right now with your partner. So, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So, looking at this card, you want to give advice to your partner, Capricorn. You want to tell your partner that find happiness being yourself. Learn to first live yourself. This is a guidance of someone who feels very lonely, doesn't have many friends. So, it's quite possible you feel that while your partner may not have many friends or he or she feels their friends don't stand up, you would like to tell your partner that they should find lot of comfort and happiness in their skin. So how does your partner see you? Your partner feels that, very truly, your partner feels that you're not as big and strong as as a lot of people understand it. Why your partner feels like that is maybe because you may be joking about it, you're very humorous about it, or you're not trying to impress your partner with your business skills, sharp acumen, and your internal strength. So your partner actually doesn't seem to know how big and strong you are. He or she feels you are not that big as people think, when that is not true. You're actually very big in terms of mentally how much you have achieved in terms of success, and also how strong you are internally. So your partner just seems to be more protected and not aware of how big and strong you are. Now, what is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? About the future, you both are not yet talking about it. You both are taking day as it comes, because I'm seeing here is all the stick cards. The two of you have stick cards, which is nothing but, sticks are, they break easily, they grow very easily, or you they are found very easily. So it's just telling me that right now the two of you are not thinking about the future, because this you're surrounded with, whichever way you want to design or shape up the future, it will happen. So none of you are is in a hurry to work on the future or to make future plans. Now, what is the past you both are coming from? You have spent lot of time being alone, Capricorn. I'm seeing that lot of times you have walked away from a very perfectly good relationship, or you have decided to not connect with people you did not like, or you just walked away. So a lot of times people may think you're a recluse where you refuse to meet and talk to too many people, and you get upset very quickly. So emotional game is not yours, while your partner is all lovey-dovey, seeks a lot of emotional companionship. You're not there, and the reason is you've spent a lot of time being hurt or being disappointed. But the reason is you're very critical sometimes, Capricorn, and that's when you get pushed away by people. So you need to emotionally be more generous with your heart. What is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner is very well traveled. He or she's taken their share of risk and had a lot of adventures. I'm seeing your partner may not be doing well in a lot of things, but he or she is a very happy person just because they've taken the risk and undertaken that adventure and gone traveling. He or she is a risk taker and may have traveled a lot, or may have just done a lot of travel, trekking. I'm just seeing a very beautiful, powerful guidance of someone who's happy seeing a new challenge. Now, what is the guidance for the love reading for the two of you? So, overall guidance for the love reading is so beautiful. Wow. One, this is a, while the two of you are not thinking and talking about the future and you're taking things as it comes, I'm seeing a very bright and togetherness in this relationship. It's almost like you both are going to feel very blessed that you found each other, and there's going to be a lot of love in so many more years to come, and so much time that you will spend together. So it's a very beautiful guidance for you, Capricorn, and your partner, and this is the love reading for January to February.